Hey guys, our dish for today is scrambled egg with potato. So, ingredients natin, 2 pieces of egg, garlic minced, chives, onion chopped, yung ating potato chopped, then yung ating butter. Procedure natin for the scrambled egg with fried potatoes. So, yung egg natin, crack lang natin. 2 eggs natin. Then, add natin yung ating minced garlic. A little bit of chives. Konti lang yung lalagay natin. Then, yung ating onion. So, lalagyan din natin siya ng pinch of salt. Salt and either black pepper. If you don't have black pepper, pwede ring thyme. So, pampawala na lang ng langsa. So, there we go. In our frying pan, lalagyan natin siya ng konting either oil or butter. So, kung wala kayong butter, oil yung gagamitin nyo. For me, it's butter for the... Kasi nagdadagdag ng lasa din yung butter natin. So, ilagay lang natin yung ating scrambled egg. Gaganunin lang natin siya. Hindi natin siya masyadong lutuin. Or hindi natin siya lutuin masyado para hindi siya mag-dry. Masarap din kasi pag medyo malasado yung itlog natin onte. So, set aside natin siya. So, even though yung pan natin may egg, may residue ng egg, okay pa rin siyang paglutuan. So, lagyan natin yung the rest of the butter for the frying the potatoes. So, ilagay na natin yung ating potatoes. So, keep on lang siya. natin. Pwede na natin patayin. Ito yung ating kaninang egg. Scrambled egg natin kanina. Pwede lang natin lagyan dito. So, so you can drizzle the potatoes with salt and pepper. So ito ng ating scrambled egg with fried potatoes. Enjoy, guys!